Oh, are we on? John, we're coming to you today because we'd like to bring you some breaking news of utter disaster. Word on the street is God is upset with his people once again. Goodness, they just can never get it right. As you can see, the leaders and the prophets are scamming. They're being thieves and they're being greedy, leaving the poor poorer and ultimately making the rich richer. Where's Robin Hood when you need him, am I right? Over to you, Tom. Well, Rebecca, we're sitting in the middle of the square, and strangely enough, we've been seeing this shepherd just walking back and forth. So we decided that we'd take the chance and go interview him.
Yes, I'm looking for the remnant of my flock. Have you seen them? No, I'm sorry to hear that. What happened to the initial herd? Oh, nothing yet. But after total destruction and annihilation, the ones that remain, I'll shepherd them. Let's go to Diane with the weather, shall we?
Thanks, Tom. Well, as you can see, it seems like sudden doom is in the forecast and is projected to go on for maybe a couple months or even years, honestly. As you can see up here, a couple of stony hearts have let off a lot of injustice and a lot of fights within the nation's leaders. So we're basically forecasting that the storm is coming to rectify the wrong. But honestly, Tom, I don't think that it's going to let up anytime soon. Over to you, Tim.
Thanks on the information about the apocalypse, Diane. We can always count on you. But in other news, guys, we heard from a source that the remnant will be restored, peace on earth will be retrieved, and speculation of a new Jerusalem. Now, the source asks to remain anonymous so that he won't be stoned to death. However, this same source allegedly claims that God's kingdom is coming to confront evil, and there's supposed to be this type of king, of Messiah, if you will, and he's supposed to save us all from extreme doom. And I'm not sure about you, but if it keeps me from exile, I'm down for a new king. Back to Rebecca in the studio.
Yes, thank you. So more on the story from earlier. It actually turns out that Israel's economy is in a major crisis. What we thought to be a rise in production is actually a major downfall because its leaders are corrupt and they're just stealing everything.
Oh, I had a feeling they were up to no good. My mom always told me to never trust the government.
Complain and accuse. That's literally all these town folks know how to do. That's all they know. If I'm lying and then I'm stealing, Lord, strike me down right now.
But wait, I have good news. Because of God's forgiveness and promises to our ancestors, we won't be completely wiped out. God is made happy in covenant love, so he'll show us compassion as he done before. He'll trample all of our evil and cast all of our sins into the depths of the deep water of the great waters. Well, there's hope after all, I say. Hope. Hope.
Yes, well, I'm not sure about that guy, but it's obvious that his glass is always half full. Anyways, I'm Rebecca Doubtful, and this has been your nationwide news. See you soon.
And we're clear.
Quick, someone bring me food. I'm starving. Wait, what was that?